Hi guys, and welcome back. For today's ingredients you will need 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of fig jam, a bowl with a little bit of water in it, a bowl with a little bit of flour in it, and your Saganki cheese. In a pan on medium heat, drizzle in some olive oil. Grab your Saganki and dunk it in the water on both sides, and go ahead and do the same thing with the flour. Pop it in your pan and let it cook on either side for a couple of minutes or until it's slightly golden. Once it's finished cooking, take it off the heat and pop it on a plate. Put a teaspoon of fig jam on the top. Squeeze over some lemon juice. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe.